Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Premiere Pro, and in this video I will show you how to import all media files in Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. So there are so many ways by which you can use to import media files. So I'm going to one of them is drag and drop your file here sequential. So if I bring out my folder right here and I decide to drag and drop this media file right here, just drag and drop it this way, and it's going to be automatically imported into your Premiere Pro. So just like what you see right here, this file here has been successfully imported into my timeline right here in Premiere Pro, just like what you see right here. So you can go on and import as many as possible media file in your Premiere Pro same way. Alternatively, you can come to the top right here, and then from here you can import from your desktop. You can get some file folder from your desktop. You can also get from your download. You can also import picture right here. So everything depends on how you want to import. Let's go back to edit tab right here. Okay, so we can also continue to drag and drop as many as possible media file right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and come to the media browser right here, and you see more stuff right here, project test right here. Then you come back to the default home page. It's that simple. So this is how to import your first media file in Premiere Pro. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.